ka doon. Hello po. Sir, 2 weeks yan. 2 weeks? Yung pang-quarantine yan, hindi naman natin sila pwedeng maano.
Flooding is inevitable since the northern, the provinces of the northern portion of the Philippines were also heavily battered by that said typhoon. So the waters coming from Nueva Ecija and Tarlac will pass through our area. The fact that Candaba is the what do you call this, the catch basin of floodwaters or excess water coming from that said provinces.
We are appealing to the national government, especially the Department of Agriculture, to help our farmers, no? Because majority in the agricultural land here in Candaba has big damages, no? Especially the palay or the source of rice.